Are you concerned about ensuring fair pay practices at your company? Then you might be interested in learning how a lawyer can help with employer pay equity law compliance. In a rapidly evolving legal landscape, keeping up with pay equity laws can feel daunting. However, a knowledgeable lawyer can provide invaluable assistance to make sure your company not only complies with current regulations, but also fosters an equitable workplace. In this guide, we'll explore exactly how a lawyer can support your journey toward employer pay equity law compliance, ensuring that your business maintains fairness and transparency in compensation practices. Step 1. Conduct a pay equity audit. A foundational step in achieving pay equity is conducting a thorough audit of your company's compensation structure. An experienced lawyer can assist in this critical process. By having a professional examine salary data, bonuses, and wage progression, you can identify any potential disparities that might exist based on gender, race, or other protected characteristics. A lawyer's expertise ensures that the audit is performed with legal thoroughness and confidentiality, helping protect your company from potential allegations or litigation. Step 2. Legal guidance on compensation policies. Lawyers specializing in employment law can offer expert guidance on crafting and updating company policies related to compensation. These experts will not only ensure that your policies align with state and federal pay equity laws, but also suggest best practices to promote transparency and fairness. By having robust, legally sound policies, your business can minimize risk and demonstrate a strong commitment to equitable treatment of all employees. Step 3. Training and awareness initiatives. A proactive way to address pay equity issues is through company-wide training. A lawyer can develop and deliver educational programs for managers and HR professionals on recognizing and correcting pay disparities. These initiatives can foster a culture of awareness and understanding within your organization, empowering leaders to implement equitable pay practice. Additionally, ongoing training ensures that everyone stays informed about the latest legislative changes affecting pay equity. Step 4. Handling claims and disputes. Despite best efforts, disputes or claims regarding pay equity may arise. When this happens, having a lawyer ready to assist can be a game changer. Employment lawyers are skilled in dispute resolution and can advise your company on how to address claims swiftly and fairly, reducing the impact of potential legal challenges. Whether it's through negotiation, mediation, or litigation, having a legal expert on your side is crucial for managing and resolving these situations efficiently. Navigating the complexities of pay equity laws can be challenging, but with the right legal support, your company can achieve compliance and promote fair compensation practices. By conducting pay audits, refining compensation policies, engaging in training, and effectively managing disputes, lawyers play a vital role in ensuring your organization stays ahead of legal requirements. Remember, prioritizing pay equity not only helps avoid legal troubles, but also strengthens your company's reputation, attracting top talent and fostering a more inclusive workplace. Make pay equity a priority and enlist the expertise of a lawyer to guide you on this essential journey.